Getting your website to rank #1 in the search engines is tough. All that blood, sweat and tears, doing keyword research, optimizing your site, writing content and building backlinks, well, it can be exhausting. And the truth is that can all count for nothing if you don't truly understand what's working and what isn't. And that's why I'm positively bursting with glee to announce that the Recipe for SEO Success is partnering with Supermetrics. Now, if you're not familiar with Supermetrics, let me explain what it does in a nutshell. It's simple. Supermetrics moves all the data from all those different reporting tools into easy to understand reports. And it doesn't matter whether you use Excel, Google Drive, or Google Data Studio. Supermetrics integrates with them all. So you can use Supermetrics to pull your SEO or paid ads data into a simple, easy to understand report. You can automate your keyword research, content audits, and backlink reports, and set up emails to be triggered every time your keyword moves in the rankings. Supermetrics is trusted by over 16,000 data-driven businesses, such as Nestle, L'Oreal, Dyson, HubSpot, Samsung, and now the Recipe for SEO Success. And just for you, they've given me a special deal. Let me read it. Yes, SEO beasts, you get a Google Search Console template for Data Studio. This template will help you analyze your website search queries and your most popular landing pages, and also track branded versus non-branded search performance. So if you want to find out more about Supermetrics and take advantage of their fabulous free trial, head to the link below this video or check out www.supermetrics.com/recipe. That's supermetrics.com/recipe.